I'm going to take a dark brown lip gloss and then just dabbing it. I'm gonna do one eye at a time because these gloss dry matte, and I do not want it to dry before I merge it in. Make sure the color you're using on your eye is matte finish, not the glossy one, otherwise it will crease very easy. And then more on the other eye, and then again blending it in. The good thing about this is you can always add more if you want depth in the color or if you want darker color. Don't worry about if it goes out of the line. You can always clean it up with the concealer or a clean brush. So this is the brush I used earlier to do my makeup, and now I can just use the same brush cleaning the edges. Now I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to take a very light brown color, and the color I'm using is this one, and it's by Smoke Screen. And all I'm going to do is just blend the sharp lines, the one I have on top, making them a little transitioned. Same on this eye. And the product I'm using is from BH Cosmetics Contour Kit, and the color is this one that I'm going to take and then just light it over my brow bone, so that way it looks very even. Same over here. Curl. I'm going to tightline my top to do this to make my eye look smoky inside. So while I'm doing that, this is and going to curl my lashes. Just going to do nude. And then just create braid. So it takes few coats of mascara to curl them. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please comment below, subscribe to my channel, and give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye.